All right, guys, let's get into the Ripple versus SEC lawsuit, what it means for XRP right now, and is the lawsuit unnecessarily taking too long? That's what I want to get at in this video. The headline here: XRP lawsuit, legal expert cites unnecessary delay in Ripple versus SEC case. Lawyer Rispoli asserts that the XRP lawsuit settlement is simple and possible, dismissing discussions on a delay in the Ripple versus SEC case. But I want to give you guys the specifics here because Rispoli says, hey, this thing is actually really simple, but it's not happening right now. Dismissing complexities as baseless, Rispoli sees the SEC's delay and excuses as cowardly. Now, we do have to remember that a new SEC regime is in, and they are actively working on a lot of different things, including completely overhauling how they're going to classify crypto, how they're going to tax crypto, how they're going to basically put crypto assets in different buckets depending on which type of assets they are, based on proof of work, proof of stake, also, meme coins versus utility altcoins versus Bitcoin. But the crypto community remains anxious right now, especially during tumultuous times in the market. XRP has fallen down to $2.24, yet we're still way up from where we were back in November of 2024. Many believe that these complexities are unnecessary, though. And really, I mean, you could go back and say the last 40 years were unnecessary. But now, in my opinion, with the new SEC in, I think we have to give them some time. Now, it says here clearly the absence of Paul Atkins did not worry the current three-member SEC commission on those large litigation issues. My best guess is that given the $125 million judgment, that is real money that IATA and Pierce do not want to have responsibility for modifying. Not a great excuse, but it does make some sense. The case is over regardless, either now or in a few months. Significantly, Rispoli is confident that the XRP lawsuit settlement is just around the corner, despite concerns from others about potential delays. Some point to the absence of new SEC Chair Paul Atkins and Judge Annalisa Torres's $125 million penalty against Ripple as major obstacles. However, Rispoli dismisses these concerns as baseless. So, this lawyer Rispoli and many others think it's all but done, but it's taking way too long. It's taking, longer than we need it to. I'm still looking at the back half of 2025 until this thing's really set in stone. Now, some may ask, why am I looking that deep into 2025? Well, there's a couple reasons why. The bigger fish to fry right now is actually categorizing crypto and creating guidelines and guardrails around the entire industry. And then it's probably Bitcoin strategic reserve alongside some of these big lawsuits. But we're already seeing a lot of the cases being dropped. So the SEC is actively working, right? Just yesterday, we had a case drop with Uniswap. We recently had cases drop with Coinbase and Robinhood. To me, the Uniswap one is probably the most important, considering that unlocks the world of DeFi in the United States, something we've, tussled with for a really long time. And they've basically been trying to figure out what they're going to do with DeFi. Here it is right here. Yet another closed investigation is just a few days following Coinbase and Robinhood and OpenSea. Could XRP be next? There are strong signs pointing to it. So I do think the Ripple versus SEC case is probably next up on the docket. So wouldn't be shocked, honestly, if it's the next thing they address. But also, this is a specific case that's ongoing right now, right? It hasn't got these other ones like Coinbase, Robinhood, OpenSea. They haven't had the 4-year back and forth. And this one here, Ripple versus SEC, has to do with how they're going to classify crypto. So it kind of, embeds some bigger things within the industry worldwide. That's why I think it's taking a little bit more time than needed here. But all in all, guys, I think XRP is in a really good spot. Keep in mind, we did wick down to these levels, even lower than these levels earlier this month. So we're still sitting here at 224 on the 1 month chart. We're not even at our, lowest of lows in the 1 month, yet people are really running for the hills during this pullback because I think Bitcoin went down below 90K. But I still, in my opinion, do not think this is the cycle top is in. I still think we're going to see an altcoin season like we do every bull run. I think this is the, you know, first big scare moment. Maybe we've had a couple of them, but this one seems to really be hitting home for people. But at the end of the day, I still think 2025 is going to turn out to be a good year for crypto. It's just going to probably take a little bit longer because we're going through so many changes, so many growing pains, and that's kind of where I am. So that's the video. I appreciate you guys for watching. Also, check out XT Algo if you're looking for a trading indicator that works, a trading indicator that will help you make money in this market. This is my indicator I launched in 2023. It's a 30-day money-back guarantee, and this has helped thousands of people already. I know it can help you if you're a serious crypto investor. Try it risk-free for 30 days. There's a link down below in the description. Make sure you use that discount code as well. And if you want to come over and trade with me over on BTCC. At the end of the month, we're going to be giving away $400 worth of XRP to 4 lucky winners. Can't wait to do that. You've got to sign up, start trading with me, and you'll be in the drawing. So I appreciate you guys for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one.